Hi everyone, I'm Himanshu and welcome to my channel Cybersecurity. If you've ever come across terms like governance, risk, and compliance and found them confusing, you're not alone. On Cybersure, we focus on explaining cybersecurity risk and compliance concepts in simple and practical way. In this video, I'll explain GRC, what it means, why it matters, its importance, and how it can be a good career option. Pillars of GRC. So let's begin with the three pillars of GRC. The first pillar is governance. Governance defines roles, responsibilities, and accountability within an organization. It ensures that business strategy and daily operations are aligned. The second pillar is risk management. This focuses on identifying and managing risks, including financial, operational, cybersecurity, and reputational risks before they impact the organization. The third pillar is compliance. Compliance ensures that organization follows laws, regulations, standards, and internal policies through audits and controls. Together, these three pillars help organizations operate in a secure and structured manner. Now, let's understand the importance of GRC. GRC brings governance, risk, and compliance together in a single coordinated framework. This improves accountability and strengthens organizational resilience. It also helps organizations navigate regulations, avoid violations, and manage operational and cyber risk effectively. GRC also improves transparency by providing leadership with clear risk and compliance insights, which supports informed decision making and builds stakeholder trust. In addition, GRC improves efficiency by reducing duplication, eliminating silos, and supporting sustainable business growth. Now let's talk about the careers in GRC. GRC offers a lot of roles, such as GRC analyst, compliance officer, risk manager, and governance specialist across industries like finance, healthcare, IT, and cybersecurity. To succeed in GRC, professionals need understanding of regulatory frameworks such as ISO 27001, SOC 2, HIPAA, along with skills in risk assessments and control testing. Certifications like CISA, CRISC, and ISO 27001 are commonly pursued in this field. With increasing regulations, data privacy requirements, and cyber threats, organizations need dedicated GRC professionals. Because of this, GRC has a strong industry demand, good job stability, and long-term opportunities. Over time, professionals can move into leadership roles as well, or specialize into areas like cyber risk governance, third-party risk management, and regulatory compliance as well. So, to summarize, GRC helps organizations stay compliant, manage risk, and build trust while offering professional and stable, rewarding career path. If you found this video helpful, do like, share, and subscribe to CyberShare. Thank you for watching.